important announcement to make, which is the most epic chip building exercise in history by far.
What if a single factory could produce 100 billion chips every year? What if that amount of computing power could reshape how machines think and work? That is exactly what TERAFAB is trying to build. What is TERAFAB? TERAFAB is planned as one of the largest semiconductor factories ever built, designed to produce an extreme number of advanced AI chips every year. Unlike normal chip factories, this one focuses only on high-performance computing chips used in AI systems, robots, and self-driving machines. The idea is not just scale, but also control, where everything from design to production happens in one place. This removes delays and dependency on other companies. Instead of spreading work across different locations, TERAFAB combines everything into a single, massive system. That alone makes it very different from today's industry. Why is this a big deal? Today's chip industry is fragmented, meaning different companies handle different steps like design, manufacturing, and packaging. This creates delays and limits how fast new technology can grow. TERAFAB aims to fix that by bringing everything together, making the process faster and more efficient. When all steps are connected, improvements can happen quickly without waiting for external partners. This is important because demand for chips is growing faster than supply. So the real question is, can one factory actually handle such a huge demand? AI systems are growing at a very fast pace, and each new version needs more computing power than the previous one. Training and running AI models requires massive amounts of data and processing, which directly depends on powerful chips. Right now, even the biggest data centers struggle to keep up with demand. Energy consumption is rising, and hardware is becoming a bottleneck. TERAFAB is designed to solve this problem by producing chips at a scale that matches future needs. Without this kind of growth, AI development could slow down significantly. What does 1 terawatt per year mean? TERAFAB aims to produce chips equal to 1 terawatt of AI compute per year, which sounds confusing at first. This does not mean electricity usage, but the total computing power built into the chips produced annually. To put it simply, it measures how much AI work those chips can handle. Compared to today's levels, this is a massive jump in capability. It means more powerful AI systems, faster processing, and better performance across industries. But here's something to think about. How much computing power is actually enough? A major reason behind TERAFAB is the future of robots and automation, especially humanoid robots. These machines require advanced AI chips to function properly in real-world environments. Each robot needs to process data, make decisions, and react in real time, which demands strong computing power. If millions of robots are built, the number of required chips also increases massively. TERAFAB is meant to support this scale by producing chips in huge volumes. Without such production capacity, large-scale robotics may not be possible. One key idea is moving computing into space, where solar energy is unlimited compared to Earth. This allows building large space-based data centers that need advanced chips to run efficiently. TERAFAB could supply these chips, directly linking chip production to space infrastructure. This connects to the idea of a galactic civilization, where massive energy, machines, and computing power are needed to expand beyond Earth. How big is TERAFAB compared to today? The scale of TERAFAB is far beyond current chip factories. Most companies operate multiple facilities across different locations to meet demand. TERAFAB aims to produce a similar level of output from a single location, which is extremely ambitious. Plans include producing up to 100 to 200 billion chips per year, which could match a significant portion of global supply. This level of production is not just an upgrade, but a major shift in how manufacturing is done. TERAFAB will use advanced technologies like 2-nanometer chips, improved memory systems, and 3D chip stacking to increase performance and efficiency. These allow more computing power in smaller spaces, but they are extremely difficult to build and scale. Even top companies take years to perfect such systems. The project also requires massive investment, estimated at $20 to $25 billion, along with highly skilled talent. With complex supply chains and technical challenges, the risk is high and success is not guaranteed. Let's quickly look at what some well-known voices are saying about TERAFAB on social media. Elon Musk called TERAFAB the final missing piece, saying the future needs around 1 terawatt of AI compute, and that this factory could deliver it with continuous improvement. Tesla described TERAFAB as the largest chip facility ever, linking it directly to building a galactic civilization and even powering space infrastructure. SpaceX also supported the same idea, highlighting that TERAFAB will supply chips for robots, vehicles, and solar-powered AI satellites. Investor Steve Jurvetson shared concepts of AI satellites, pointing out how future systems could scale from kilowatts to megawatts, supported by TERAFAB. Across these discussions, one common point keeps repeating: compute power is the real bottleneck. TERAFAB is being positioned as the solution to unlock the next stage of AI, robotics, and space expansion. Why build it anyway? Despite the challenges, the main reason behind TERAFAB is control over production. Companies today depend on external manufacturers, which can lead to delays and shortages. By building their own facility, they can produce chips whenever needed without waiting. This also allows better customization, where chips are designed specifically for certain tasks. In simple terms, it gives full control over both quality and supply. One major advantage of TERAFAB is the speed at which improvements can happen. When design, manufacturing, and testing are all connected, changes can be made quickly without delays. This creates a continuous cycle of improvement, where each version of a chip becomes better than the last. Faster development leads to better AI systems, which then increases demand for even more advanced chips. This loop is what TERAFAB aims to accelerate. TERAFAB is part of a larger system that includes AI, robotics, and space infrastructure. These elements depend on each other to function effectively at scale. Chips power AI, AI controls robots, and robots help build infrastructure both on Earth and beyond. TERAFAB acts as the foundation for this entire system by providing the required computing power. Without it, growth in other areas would be limited. What happens if it works? If TERAFAB succeeds, it could transform multiple industries. AI systems would become more powerful and widely available. Robots could become common in everyday tasks. Self-driving technology could improve rapidly, and space-based computing might become a reality. This would mark a major shift in how technology is used and developed across the world. What happens if it fails? Even if TERAFAB does not fully succeed, it can still push the industry forward. It would encourage innovation and force other companies to improve their own systems. New technologies developed during the process could still be useful. In many cases, even partial success can lead to major advancements. TERAFAB is an ambitious attempt to solve one of the biggest problems in technology: the lack of enough computing power for the future. It aims to build chips at a scale never seen before, supporting AI, robotics, and space systems. But the outcome is still uncertain. The real question is, will the world reach a point where this level of computing becomes necessary? Or is this idea far ahead of its time? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.